they also wanted, both the state governments also wanted that the potentials for various activities can be assessed, and we said we have facilitating mechanism through NABCONS. You have seen the office, NABARD Consultancy Services. So wherever you require our services, we are ready to offer that also. AP government specifically said they would like to have integrated agriculture development plan for the state, so that you don't look at separate segments. And we suggested, yes, our NABARD consultancy, NABCONS, can help prepare such a plan. And when that plan comes up, based on what are the outlays and what investments are required, NABARD would be appropriately considering funding for that plan as well. The AP government also suggested that we have a concept of funding, they wanted that more funding should be there for Raitu Mitra groups, RMG groups in the state. These are primarily landless farmers who otherwise are not able to get finance from banks. Through this group approach, these very small or landless farmers can get funding, and we have a scheme called Joint Liability Group, which is on similar lines as RMG, Raitu Mitra Group. So these groups can also be considered for suitable funding by banks and further refinanced by from NABARD side. In the end, we emphasize two more things pertaining to cooperative structure. Cooperative banks are, AP is getting now bifurcated. From 2nd of April, you will have a Telangana Cooperative Bank, State Cooperative Bank, and you will have a AP State Cooperative Bank from 2nd of April. We suggested to the state government that both these institutions need to adopt more of technology. All of them, all their banks are on core banking solutions, but core banking solutions is one platform from where you have to build further blocks. There are a lot of other technological interventions which need to be taken: RTGS, DBT, e-signing, e-KYC, treasury management. So all these small packages need to be there. We informed both the state governments that presently cooperative banks are only catching up. Whatever technological developments are happening, they are catching up. However, they need a mechanism by which they regularly update their technology. There is a possibility 5 years from now, mobile banking may be there everywhere, and most of the payments can be handled through mobile. So we suggested that for mobile banking to be implemented in the state, a group be constituted in each bank which looks at the seamless requirements of technology adoption by them. And we will be ready to support from NABARD side in creation of such a group in terms of how it is to be carried forward, because we already helped them in implementing the core banking solution, CBS platform.